Hey, 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 welcome back to My Kitchen. So today I'm just gonna do a very, light snack, something that you can, whip up easily in your kitchen. So I'm gonna do a chicken quesadilla and a chicken wrap. So here I am actually cutting up the chicken into cubes, and I'm going to get some strips out of it. That would be for the chicken wrap, and the cube would be for the quesadilla. And I'm also going to season them in one bowl, and then after which I'm just going to separate them into different flavors, because I want to do a jerk chicken quesadilla and also a regular quesadilla. In my kitchen, in my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, in my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. In my kitchen, in my kitchen, welcome to Nessa kitchen. Nessa's world. Okay, so we're gonna go right ahead and season up our meat, and this I'm doing the night before because I want it to be well marinated. So I'm going to use salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, little herbs, oregano leaf. So now you can just go ahead and rub them up and separate them into different bowls. And this amount I'm just gonna put on some jerk seasoning so that I can have that jerk flavor quesadilla. So now I'm just going to get that film wrap and wrap them up so I can store it into the refrigerator until tomorrow. For the filling, you'll need sweet pepper, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, escallion, and onion. You'll also need cheese. You can choose to use Italian cheese, mozzarella cheese, the tree flavored cheese, any cheese that you prefer. And I'm also going to use a wrap. Obviously we need a wrap because it wouldn't be a quesadilla without the wraps, right? And then I'm going to add pineapple and lettuce to the wrap. So now I'm going to go ahead and cook the meat. I'm going to use some coconut oil to cook them. So first I'm going to put the chicken in there, and this is just the first one because remember I have the strips and I also have the jerk seasoning flavored chicken. And I'm just going to allow this to cook for a while, to get crispy for a while, and then I'm going to add my vegetables in there, add a little barbecue sauce, a little soy sauce, just to give it that flavor, and allow it to cook for a while. And then I'm going to dish that out back into the same dish that I had them in before, but I did wash them all before because I don't want the cross-contamination on the meat. Guys, look at that color. Look how lovely it looks. And you need to smell this. Like literally you can taste it through the smell, if you understand what I'm saying. So now I'm just gonna add the jerk seasoning flavored chicken into the pot, and I'm gonna almost do the same thing, but differently from this. I'm not gonna add no soy sauce, I'm not gonna add no barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna allow it to absorb all that jerk flavoring into the chicken, add my vegetables into it, and add a touch of water and allow that to steam for a while, cook for a while. And same procedure, pour it into that bowl. And then for this, I'm just gonna wash out the pot because we don't want that jerk flavor to come into our strip, even though it would be lovely. But I'm just gonna allow these to get a little crispy, and after I'm gonna add my basil and my oregano, some little herb spice to give it that little different slight flavor. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. And if you realize I add the vegetables differently, for no particular reason, I just want to do it that way, but you can add it in there if you want. So now I'm just going to go ahead and make my quesadilla. So first you're going to lay those cheese on the wrap, then you're going to lay your chicken over the cheese. Oh my god, And then after that, you're gonna add some more cheese onto the top, because you want it to be cheesy. You're gonna fold it in half. You're gonna do our next one because my pot is big enough to hold the two. And then we're gonna do the same procedure, but this time I'm gonna use the jerk chicken. Put the cheese at the bottom, then the chicken, and then the cheese again. Is like a sandwich combination. And then I'm going to fold that over too, and then I'm going to put it into a pot that is already heated, already buttered. And guys, please don't walk away from the pot. You need to, pay special attention to it, like how you would do your plantains, because you don't want it to be burnt. And you're gonna go ahead and turn them occasionally because you want it to be crispy on both sides. So you're gonna just flip it over and pat it down for a while also. And if you want it to be more crispy, all you need to do is just let it stay there for a longer period. But don't walk away from your pot, guys. Don't do it. Don't. I repeat, don't do it, because you may come back to a burnt quesadilla, and we don't want that, right? We don't want that. No, we don't want that. So now it's time to make my chicken wrap. So first I'm going to get that cheese and lay it in the center of the wrap. I'm going to get my chicken strips and also lay it on top of that cheese. I'm going to get my tomato, I'm going to get my pineapple, and pack everything in that wrap. You want to have all of that juice or that flavor. And I'm going to also put my lettuce there, and I'm going to get my Thousand Highland dressing, and I'm going to pour that all over my wrap. And I'm going to also get those seasoning that I did the last season and just put it in there, because you want to have a variety of flavors. You have sweet, you have savory, you have, I don't do you know what to say, but you have everything packed in this thing. So now I'm going to fold the two sides, and I'm going to wrap it. You have to wrap this tight, guys. Wrap it very tight, and just roll it and wrap it, and then just lay it there and look at that, guys. You're going to also cut it in half and plate yourself, and also get that quesadilla also and cut it in half also. But guys, look at that. Just look at that, guys. Look at that. So I'm also going to do a mukbang for this. So if you want to see my reaction to this meal, please wait and check it out. Yes, check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you have anything else that you want me to prepare for you, just hit me up in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.